Yeah, we're about to rush up. We got 58 seconds.
Oh, I like your camera.
Shoot him, dad. Kill him.
Get ready.
Just get behind that guy. Just get behind that guy. I was trying to touch the camera. I was like,
yeah, made him call for mom. Blah, blah. Yeah.
that's alright.
Shield.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
That ricochet and hit him.
Go on, Captain.
35 seconds.
Start it now.
Wait, everyone come
Oh, we got
here.
35
Get
seconds.
Blowhorn.
Oh, back up.
Get away from me, bro. I had light in my hearing.
Bro, this air horn's trash, bro.
It's
Trash.
Yes, it is, bro.
The other one wasn't. That one's terrible. The other really.
Hey, Caleb. Caleb, go over there real quick.
You might not want to be staring at him.
I'm done.
Yeah, Captain
Hey, Caleb, watch out.
Caleb, you're right in his ear. Caleb.
Caleb, he's about to blow the horn. Watch out. Your ears, bro, are going to get shattered.
Oh, this one's trash.
Okay, so what's the main objective here? We got 8, right?
What?
Guys!
Where's our team at?
Where's our
I'm going to shoot Caleb, bro.
skeleton attack? We're attacking them. Bro, skeleton squad.
Oh, they're defending.
I think so.
No, we're attackers.
Yeah, we're attackers. Yeah, I said they're
Then where are the defenders at? What's happening? Okay. Go, up the hill, go. God, this, wait. Let's wait for the rest of the people come.
We got Captain America on our team, bro.
Captain America.
Bro, you're Captain America.
Yeah, Captain America.
Captain America's on our team, let's go.
You should lead the charge.
Yeah, lead it.
Alright, look.
With a Glock. With a Glock.
Guys, I'll tell you right now, Walter's over there. I heard his gun just a second ago.
Hey, dude, Captain America actually had it. Should I just go ahead and put it in some
Yeah, go ahead and put us some water. Safety's off.
I don't know how people play.
Keep your eyes up, be aware.
You see him, Jack?
No. We're good. We're good. We're fine. Where'd Kyle go? Oh! Where's base A at?
Right there.
Hold on. Let's go.
A lot of times they'll be on the edges. We got A!
Man, we have walkie.
Oh, yeah, that's right. What channel you on?
Base A is captured. Base A is captured.
What channel you on?
The top one is bottom.
Nice Glock, Captain America.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
They said I couldn't throw my shield at people, so you know.
Wow.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, this is Naz's people.
Yeah.
There's
Gotta do what you gotta do.
over there.
Hey, I mean, they want to get shot, they get shot.
Alright, see what you got. Can't see it right there.
Yeah.
That's what we're going for. So they got all 9 people right there.
Come on. Hit. I've been hit, guys.
Jack.
I've been hit.
Dude, I blocked the shot. I did.
That's crazy. Hey, Aaron, so what now? I've been hit by that
You
kid.
can respawn here because Luke's alive.
30 seconds up.
So who is that kid?
Oh, you can get in here with phone.
Yeah, let's just destroy the cover.
He's behind that tree. He's dead.
Bro, my battery just.
Oh, nah.
Are you serious?
So where do we respawn? Do we respawn here? Wait, do we respawn here?
Got him. I got him. Let's go. Get out of here, kid. Go. 5.
Hey, I hope you know you killed Captain America.
Well, I hope you know that I avenged your death.
Should we watch up?
Bro, that was the coolest thing. Got it on camera.
Dude, I just realized Captain America actually wore like something.
Oh
just
yeah,
big,
that's
yeah.
right. Let's go, bro.
Well, I did nothing. But
Got hit like
I
kind
was
of the back
dead.
of the neck right here.
You did?